joined the session, and it will be starting in a few seconds. See? Yes, so if you guys can go to YouTube, that is where you will find the session, right? So let me now take the screen to the other side so I can read your comments, right? Yes. So we will meet here, guys. So I will be checking the stats. If you guys have joined, I will then start the session, because you guys want to watch, and with TikTok you can't see most of the things. You see, some of you may not even see the link that I'm in, etc, etc, blah 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 blah. So let us go to YouTube, guys. Those of you who want to learn, let us go on YouTube. And also the link to my YouTube, it's in my bio. If you go to my profile, you go to links, and then you will find my YouTube link, so that I can teach you guys how this thing is done. Okay. Okay, where should I start? Because I'm not recording the session. It's a random session, this one. So I think I need to open the. Okay, let me just say a random live session, because you guys hijacked me. Random live session, right? Before we get started, I will give an intro to Google AdSense, because some of you have joined late, you don't know what Google AdSense is. And then since I don't want this session to be long, I will just try to be as fast as possible. And then securing, and then get domain. A domain, it's a website name, right? It's a website name, because you do need to have a website, right? And then after create your website, create a website. I will show you quickly how everything is, so excuse me, so that you guys don't get confused. I think this is basically everything, and then maybe publishing content, then publish content, right? So we will just do a quick overview. Every day 8 p.m. I am live, focusing on specific content. But because today you guys just found me out of the blue, I will just summarize everything, but I will make sure that you try to understand. So this is what we will be doing in the YouTube. And then I can see some of you are already there, so let me focus on the guys who are already on YouTube, right? So you guys came in and you were interested because of these numbers. If someone is making money, you also want to make money, right? And there are a lot of South Africans who are making money this way, but they will never tell you. They will never. And the way we make money, I will make an example of the guys posting jobs, because those are the websites that are trending nowadays, left and right. So all of the links that you see on Facebook, WhatsApp, people saying Shoprite is hiring, Capitec is hiring, those people are promoting their website, and they will make money if you go to their website. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Some of the jobs, they are legit. There you will read about the jobs and then go apply, but many of them, they are just, it's a copy and paste information. It's the same content over and over again, and they make money every time you guys go to their website. So that is how Google AdSense works basically. And it's very important to mention where the money is coming from, because if you are making money, it's coming from somewhere, isn't it? So the people visiting your website, they don't pay anything, they just go there to read. So where is the money coming from? Companies, for example, let me go to my website that is approved. You see this company MoneyTech, they paid Google to promote their ad, and then Google is now showing the ad in my website. You see, if I go to the little eye there, it says ads by Google. So the ad in here is shown by Google, right? And the more people come to my website, the more I make money. So the money comes from the person who paid to promote the ad. So even if you are seeing Nivea as an ad in a website, that means Nivea paid money for their ad to be shown there. That is where the money is coming from. But before it comes to us, it must first go to Google, and then Google pays us. That is how the process works, right? And for you to get started, it's either you must have a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in a period of 365 days. But because I am not making money with YouTube, I will not talk about it. The way I make money is, as you can see, I have a website and I have a content, right? So this is content. I look at trending things, I write about it, I post, I promote my website so that people come and read. That is how this thing works. So you need to have a website name. This one, it's called a domain. You need to have a website name, and it's called a domain. So for those of you who are watching on TikTok, I mean on YouTube, I will send you the links of the companies where you can get your own domain name, right? So let me go to my AdSense masterclass group, and then let me scroll so that I can copy the links of the websites where you can get your domain name. So a domain name, it's this name that ends with .co.za. Sometimes it ends with .com, sometimes it ends with .net. There are a lot of domain names. It's up to you which one you like, right? So I will paste in the comment sections those who are on YouTube. So one hosting company that I use, it's called TrueHost, this company, but I will first log out so that I can show you guys how to buy a domain name. So lately I bought a domain name called giftmateriala.com because I wanted to buy it. So first of all, you need to have a domain name. So let me log out and show you how this thing works. So when you come to the website, they will say here, find your domain name. So let's say you want to have a website and you talk about soccer. You can maybe say Mzansi Sport, for example. You can say Mzansi Sports, and then you say search, right? And then it will tell you whether the name it's available or not, right? So as you can see, it says mzansisports.co.za. It's available, and then you will buy this name, right? You will buy it. Same thing, I also bought this name, which is uninews.co.za. I had to buy it to own it, right? And then after you have bought this name, you would be given access to your, let me see if I'm still on track. I said I will talk about this, and then I talk about getting a domain name. Okay. And then after you have purchased the domain name, you need to have access in the domain name you bought so that you can create your website, right? And let me make an example with Gift Mativela, right? So with Gift Mativela, the name I bought, currently the content is like this. It's very ugly, but let me show you how easy it is to build the website. So I will let me first log in to my account so that I get access to the domain name that I have, right? And then some of you can go to not this one, where is my website? You can go to giftmateriala.co.za so that you can see the changes when I update the website, right? So after logging in, I go to my services, and then I select service, and then after that I will go to my cPanel. At the moment, don't try to follow up the steps exactly, you'll be confused. I'm just trying to give you an overview that you buy the name, you get access to the name, and then you edit your website as you want, right? And when I get there, I will go to the WordPress, because I'm building my website with WordPress. And then you see this one, giftmativela.co.za. I will say login. Now I'm going to WordPress to make changes to the website, right? And then now I'm going to the WordPress dashboard. So this WordPress is a tool that allows you to build a website. So I'll go to appearances, go to theme. I want to change the theme that I have, right? The theme that I have, I think it's this one, the ugliest one, but I want to change that. So I will first, let me go to add themes, and then let me add, because it's my website, I can do whatever I want. I will install this one. So I will say install Astra. I will change it later, it's fine. I'm just trying to show you quickly how to build the website. And then I say activate, right? And then after it has activated, let's go see if the website did change. So let me say change, refresh. So as you can see, now my website, it's using the Astra theme, right? So I still need to go select a template that will sort of suit my my needs. So I will go to what do I go from here? I will go to Astra, and then I will go to, do I go to customize? Let me go to customize. Since I'm still new to this WordPress thing, I'm not really used to it. No, I shouldn't go there. I should need to go to, I need to choose a template. I go to design, isn't it? Customize, or I go to design, somewhere there. Okay, no, not this one. Just a second. I'm still new to this thing of WordPress. I don't normally build my websites like this. So I go to, I think I go to, let me go to themes, and then go to customize. I think I come here. No, I want to choose a theme. Oh, and then it says active theme. Let me say change theme, and then what do I change the theme here? Hey, you see, let me go to customize. There should be themes whereby I choose themes. Okay, I'm still new to this thing. Is it design? Just a second, guys. It's been a while using this thing. You see, now I forgot where to change the theme. It's where do I go to change the theme? I forgot. I think I go to Astra, and then I go to dashboard. Yes, I go to dashboard, I think. And then when I'm here, I will go to themes. So I think I will go to starter templates. Yes, I go to starter templates, and then I say install and activate, right? Everything you are doing here is like you click, and then it says activated, and then it takes me here. I will go to classic starter, and then I will just say block editor, and then it will now show me templates, right? Which, or how do I want my website to look like? Let it load and something like that. Already it gives you websites, and you choose the one that you sort of like, etc, etc. Remember, my website currently looks like this, right? And I want to choose a design for the website. I'm trying to show all of you that you don't need to know how to code. You just click everything all the way. So just a second, let it load. Okay, it's kind of slow, but yeah, it's taking some time. And I will choose just a profile website because it's gift material. I just want to talk about myself, you see. So I will choose a simple template, right? Okay, let it load, and then we are here. You see all of this, it's templates. Some of them are premium, but mostly are free, because this ones are free, this one, the premium one, is not for free. So I will go to personal site, and I just want to say portfolio. I want it to look like a portfolio website, right? Something like that. A website like this whereby I will put my picture and talk about myself, right? So let me choose a random, website. I think, which one is okay, but okay, this one is a testing thing, so I'll just select any random free template. Which one to choose? You see, now I'm getting confused, there are many. Okay, let me just pick one from the top. I think I saw one that I like, this one, right? uh
Digital TT, WhatsApp
okay,
audio.
so I will choose this one, and then I will just say continue. I want to keep everything as it is, so they will, if you don't like the colors that came with this one, you can just say no, I want mine to be blue, I want mine to be reddish, to be pinkish. So but you can change it later, you can change the font, you can change everything, but I'll just say continue for now. And then it is asking me a bunch of these things. I'll just say continue, and then I will say skip and continue, and then I won't write anything here, but let me just say understand, and let me just say continue. Remember, this is an example, so I will change all of this later. I'm just trying to show you how easy it is setting up a website. And currently when we refresh here, uh, okay, it's taking a while to load, but later on it should show us the style that we are installing the site. So after the installation, it's complete, my website will be built. Some of the things I won't like it, it's easy to customize, saying I want to remove this, I want to add this, etc, etc. They're saying something went wrong here. Importing widgets, da 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 da. Let me say click here, we'll try again. Okay, I don't know what went wrong here. These days I'm finding errors every time I'm installing. It's because of I try to put another template before deactivating another one. That is why sometimes there is this errors, but that's how you build a website. It's easy like that. Okay, I'm still getting the error here. Okay, I think for a quick fix, okay, here's the website. You see, it did change, but it's not exactly aligned because some of the things are clashing. But this is how the website looks like. Let me refresh again. I think the CSS was not imported, yeah. But as you can see, the website was like this without me doing anything. It's kind of ugly, but I'm refreshing it. Maybe it will fetch the other files as well. Oh, still it's like this. I don't know where I went wrong. But if you do come on a specific tutorial, this one was I was hijacked on this one, so I was trying to do everything fast. But what I was trying to tell you guys, as you can see, the images did not come through and some of the information. But that is how you build a website, and then from there you can edit these things. For example, this guy says, hello, I'm Brian. I am not Brian, but you can change your name and things like that, add content, apply for Google AdSense, and you start making money. Still, some of you may not understand this thing. It's very confusing at the moment. It's because you guys want information, and I'm trying to summarize everything in this little time. That is why it's confusing. But if you can follow me, I do have a structured course coming up next, what is it, next week, next week, 19 May. So if you are someone who wants to learn, it's very easy. It will be a 5-day masterclass if you are interested in learning with me, and all of the questions will be answered there. Yeah. And then there is someone who took back their message. Okay, So yeah, that's how things are. So most of the websites you see today, we did not build them from the beginning. We just used templates, and then for example, if you scroll to the bottom, the website does tell you that it was designed by, you see, it will tell you designed by. And then some of the websites that I was creating yesterday, this theme for example, if you scroll to the bottom, it will tell you that it's a creative theme. It's not really me who built the website, but it will show you that it's creative themes. So uh, that's how we build websites nowadays. Yeah. The problem, you did choose only WordPress instead of Elementor. Oh, okay. That is why the theme appears like that. Oh, alright. I did not notice that one. Says I'm still new, by the way. So, thank you for for the clarity. Yeah. Uh, no, no. There are free themes and those ones you pay for. Yeah, it's mixed. Is this premium? No. Choose the free template related to your business. Theme file editor and appearance. Thank you, Andy. I was getting lost. I'm still new to this thing. To this thing of WordPress. Hey, isang data nam lapho nalapho. But to teach people, I think it's easy teaching them WordPress. Because if I can teach them coding, hey, that's another thing. So WordPress is much easier. How much is domain? A domain it's the company that I was making an example of. It's very cheap. I think a domain it's 80 rand, 50 rand. You did see, yeah, it was 50 rand when I was purchasing. Yeah, it was 50 rand. Yeah, it was 50 rand. Hi, Coolest. People wanted to know how to make money with WordPress, but not with WordPress, with Google AdSense. But the thing is, there are things that they are required to do in the beginning, like buy a domain, setting up a website, writing content, then you apply for Google AdSense. So I was sort of giving them a short summary of the processes or the steps they need to do in order to get monetized. And it's very chaotic when I am explaining in an unorganized manner. For example, someone is asking this, I try to answer it, someone is asking something else. That is why I do have a structured course which is starting 19 April, and it's going to be a paid course, that one. And if you feel like you don't want to pay for the course, maybe you don't have the money, things like that, I do have tutorials as well on my YouTube that you can watch. But if you are someone who doesn't like to deal with technical stuffs, or you can't learn by yourself because some people need guidance, then the course is for you. And some of you, if you can check the profile on YouTube, I do have the sessions, the recorded sessions of the classes I was having with my students, so you can also watch those if you want to learn. But if you feel like you want to be in your own class as well, you want to be in a class, you want to be taught step by step from A to Z, then the master class is for you, starting 19 May. Show us using WordPress. Okay. Do you upload every day on website? I myself, I don't upload every day. I don't upload every day, but still I do make money. Let me refresh, because some of you maybe confused a bit. So now it's 310. It's 1 o'clock and I already made 310. So yeah, that's how we make money online. Do you upload every day? No, I don't upload every day myself. But when I was studying, I was uploading every day. But because I'm now used to how things are, I just upload when I'm free. Hi, I have products on my Beacon store but not making sales. Lady B, we are on the same track. It's not Beacon, it's mine, it's Gumroad. But I started running ads. The ads are still under process, so I still haven't made sales in my. Why does it want me to log in? Yeah, I still do. I also do sell digital products, but not the ones of reselling and the DBA and things like that. I don't do that. I sell my own ebooks, but I haven't yet made money selling ebooks. So I then decided to start advertising in other countries. But the ads are still learning how to optimize my budget. So yeah, I will let you know, guys, when I make the first sale in my digital store. Why is it taking a while to log in? Yeah, I also haven't made money on selling ebooks, and my store it's like this. I sell these ebooks, but South Africans are scared of dollars, so that is why I'm shifting to other countries to start selling. Yeah. Okay, my phone is taking a while. I mean, my laptop is taking a while to log in, but I haven't made any sales on my Gumroad store. So if I go to my Gumroad, it's 00. Why does it want me to log in? What happened? Or someone tried changing my password somehow, because I was always logged in this app. Yes, as you can see, it says $0. I haven't made any sales yet, you see. But I started running ads, so hopefully I will find clients overseas. Yeah. Let's do 8 p.m. Oh, the 8 p.m. guys, it's a structured course. Since you are joining halfway, today it's Friday. We are doing day 5. Today we will be talking about this. So Monday it was what is Google AdSense. Tuesday we talked about choosing a topic. Wednesday it was setting up a website. Yesterday I was teaching them how to write content, and then today we will talk about getting traffic to your website. So if you will be joining at 8 p.m, I won't be starting at the beginning. You will be joining, you will be joining the journey halfway. But there is a second masterclass which is starting next week, 19 May. It won't be 10 days long. It will be 5 days. It will be like this. But I'm thinking of taking this to the last day, because this is where the practicality is. I say so. I will sort of take this one to day 5 and things like that. For those of you who want to join on the 19 May, it's not going to be a free session, but currently I am doing the master classes for free. So unfortunately, you guys will get information halfway, because you found me today. Yeah, but the ones who want to start everything from A to Z on their own masterclass, second masterclass, it will be this amount. And if you don't have the money, you can watch my YouTube videos. You will get almost the same information. Yeah. So you are not forced to pay. As if you feel like you don't want to pay, you can watch videos instead of paying for a masterclass. Yes. And then teacher Lerato is crying. This Google AdSense is not for free. Why are you saying that, Tabiso? Do you pay domain name and hosting every month? The domain name you pay it once a year, and the hosting you pay it every month. Yeah. How much is the cost? 350? Less than 100 rand. Where was the... Oh, I think you were answering the hosting, sis. That's why the theme appears. Oh, okay, you were answering me here. Redo it and delete that theme. Yeah, I will start everything afresh when... So here I was doing things in a rush. That is why the website is appearing like this. But I'm trying to search you on YouTube. I should be found on YouTube. I'm not hard to find. So yeah, that was it, guys, for today. There is a lot of money in Google AdSense. Just that people are lazy. I don't know why you guys are lazy. Because many of you were interested in learning when I said I make money online with Google AdSense. And the moment I tell you guys you need to have a website, people will be like, you are quitting. I don't know why you guys are lazy. Can you please explain hosting part and how much is it? Hosting, that is where your website is stored. That is hosting. And how much is it? It's roughly 50 rand a month. The companies differ, so some are expensive, some are cheap, but I tend to make an example of 50 rand a month. That is what hosting is. Talux. Hosting is how much, since you are saying domain is 50 rand per year. Not necessarily per year, guys. Okay, how can I explain this one? Okay, guys, when it comes to the pricing, companies differ, so don't take it as if it's the same for everyone. The company that I use, the domain, it's 50 rand when you are purchasing it for the first time. The renewal, which happens once a year, it's 80 rand. And then the hosting package, it's 35 rand a month. Some companies, they may charge you 50 rand, so don't then say Gift was lying with the pricing, depending on the company that you are using. The one that I'm using, it's TrueHost, because some of you may want to know which one I'm using. I'm using TrueHost. Yes. Where can I buy the cheapest hosting and domain? TrueHost, that's where you can find it. I've heard some people saying there are companies that are cheaper than TrueHost. I don't know those companies. So since you are asking me, the cheapest one is TrueHost that I know. So don't find a cheaper one and then come to me and say I was lying. The cheapest one that I know is TrueHost. Yeah. I need to clarify that one. So day 1 to day 4 on YouTube, we'll try to catch up. Yeah, but I never recorded day 1 on my YouTube. If you go to my YouTube, I think there is day 2, day 3, and then day 4. But some of the sessions, they are not complete, the one posted on YouTube, because I do a live session. Everyone learns in real time. So if someone was not there, they may not get the information. So yeah. It's affordable, 30 rand. What you post on your website? I post articles, Angel. I post articles. Similar to what the job guys are doing. They are posting jobs, but they try to make it seem like content. I also do something similar like that. Okay, but most of the information will be, thank you, see you on the 19th of May. Hi, I'm struggling to add my YouTube channel on AdSense, but it's giving me an error. So you can rename a domain. No, you can't rename a domain, Tulani. It says to add this site, you need to go to the host platform of the site. Okay, let us start with Portia. You are saying, I am struggling to add my YouTube channel on AdSense, but it's giving me an error. It says to add this site, you need to go to the host platform. No, I think when you are adding a YouTube channel, I think the procedure is not exactly the same as adding a website, because the website you are trying to add, it's I think it's your YouTube channel link, but your YouTube channel link starts with youtube.com and you don't own youtube.com. So with YouTube, I don't know exactly the process, but let me quickly chat with my copilot here. Hey buddy, how to connect eligible YT channel to AdSense. Let's see. They say to connect eligible YouTube channel to Google AdSense, follow the steps. Check if you are eligible, basically the 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And then they say sign up for Google AdSense, go to YouTube Studio. So I can't see YouTube Studio. Oh, okay. So when you have a what is it, your Google AdSense account, you will need to go to your YouTube Studio, right? The YouTube Studio is this app. So you will need to go to YouTube Studio. I'm reading the, oh damn, you are on TikTok, you on YouTube, you can't see. Okay, you will go to a YouTube Studio and then you go to N, right? Currently I'm not eligible, but then after here they say click start on the sign up for AdSense card. Oh, mine is not showing because I am not yet eligible, but if you come here, probably there'll be a button which says sign up for Google AdSense. That's how you add your channel to Google AdSense. But the button is not here on my case because I still need to meet this requirement. So who am I answering? It's Portia. You will download the mobile app, which is YT Studio. Ne? It's like in a shape of an octagon, something like that. You will download that app, sign in, and then you will go to the N icon in the bottom row. You click it, you scroll, probably you will see a button which says sign up for AdSense. Yeah. Oh, I see now. Yeah, and also let me know if it works well. Unfortunately, the button doesn't appear on my side. And then after that, they say follow the prompts to create or link an existing AdSense account. Then complete the setup, verify your email, contact details, and then wait for approval. Google will review your AdSense application. This can take a few days. Once approved, your YouTube earnings will be linked to AdSense. Number 5, monetize your content. Enable ads on your videos so that when people are watching your videos, your ads will also be there. And then to track your earnings, they say YouTube Studio, under analytics, revenue. Right, I've never made money with this thing, but they say you go to analytics, YouTube Studio, go analytics, and then you go to revenue. I've never made money with my TikTok, so I don't know where the revenue is. They say go to analytics, then revenue. Okay, even revenue is not here because I never really made money with my TikTok. I mean with my YouTube. So that is why there is no revenue here. But for sure your dashboard will be different than mine because you do qualify for earnings. Mina, I do not. I don't see earnings here. Yeah, I don't see earnings on my side, but to track your earnings we'll go to analytics and then revenue. But I will give you an update if my what is it, my YouTube starts making money. Yeah. Go to see you at 8 p.m. Oh, got to go. See you at 8 p.m. What's happening on the 19th of May? I'm interested in learning. I'll be offering a Google AdSense masterclass. It's at a fee of $350. And some of you may not have the money. That is why I always say the masterclass, it's a structured knowledge of information. It's sort of structured. But if you want to learn on your own, you can just go to YouTube and say, I want to learn Google AdSense. There will be videos teaching you for free how to make money with Google AdSense. But if you want to be part of my classes, then from the 19th of May, it's going to be $350 for a class. Right, so there is no need to complain with the $350. I told you how you can learn for free and how you can also pay to learn. So it's up to you which one you choose. Yes. On the 19th, you said it's gonna be 1 week, not 2 weeks. Yes, from 19 it's going to be 1 week, so it's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and then the session end. So day 1 we talk about Google AdSense, day 2 creating content, day 3 I want to shift day 3 to day 5 of day 3 we are setting up a website, and then day 4 generating traffic, day 5 the preparations to apply for Google AdSense. But because day 3 it's a little bit complicated, I will shift it to day 5 so that we start with the theory and then day 5 is the practicality, so that we do everything at once. When I'm doing it, you guys do it at the moment. Because what I've noticed with like I said to the guys who found me earlier, I said the masterclass is going to be for free. Reason being, I don't know how well the class will go, so I will learn from this experience, saying, oh, I structured the class like this and the students maybe are being confused. So the second one, that is why it will be paid, because I now know what I'll be doing. So it will first be theory, and then on the last day we do everything together. We buy the domain, we buy the hosting, we set up the website in real time, so that at the end of that masterclass everyone has a website, everyone is ready to write content, because that's the main goal here. We want to write content to our websites so that we apply for Google AdSense. I can't leave you guys hanging. So it's going to be 5 days. In those 5 days, I promise you guys, you'll be ready to make money with AdSense. But at this moment, I am with the first group which did not pay, and the reason being, I wanted to learn how to proper manage a masterclass, how to proper design a masterclass. So I said to the guys, you know what, let it be free, and I made it free. But the second one, it won't be for free because I now have the experience of hosting a masterclass, you see. So that's the difference. And if you want to join the free masterclass, every day 8 p.m. I am live on TikTok. The thing is, you guys already missed out 4 days of content, you see. So, but if you are someone who says, you know what, I want to start from the beginning, I want a mentor, I want structured information, someone with experience, then you will have to wait for the 19th of May. And the class will be 350, of course. Yes, the videos will be private, it won't be public videos for everyone to watch. So those are some of the changes that will be there. Yes. How do we join the class on 19? Oh, I will announce on my TikTok Mawake. I will announce. I don't want to make the announcement now because things may change. That is why I'm still delaying to announce proper methods of the class, but I will announce it before 19. I will let you guys know how the class will be structured, because at the moment I was designing. This is the 5-day masterclass, the one of 350. I was designing it as to this is how it will be, this is how it will be, but I will take this day and then take it to the end, and then day 4 will now be day 3, day 5 will be day 4, because this one, it's a practical thing. So I don't want us to have theory, practical, theory. It's kind of confusing. So we will first have the theory, and then day 5 we will be doing this. So day 5 everyone will need to be prepared, meaning we are buying a domain. At the same time, people with questions along the way, they ask, I answer them. So I will be preparing you that on day 5 we will be doing this, and it's a must that you attend. So this one, even if you watch the video by yourself, it's going to be okay. But this one, it's a technical thing. So if you are watching a video and maybe the company you were choosing, it's not exactly the one I was making an example with, you may face challenges and it will be hard for you to solve it on your own. So this day, it will be a technical day. We are all hands on. We are buying the domain, the hosting, and then we set up our website, and then I teach you how to add the content, right? That is what we will be doing here, right? Yeah, I think I also need to specify here, and then we also need to adding content. So the masterclass is still in planning. I haven't yet, I don't have slides for it. Adding content. Yeah, so I'm still planning the masterclass, the second one, but this is how it's structured. It will be 5 days. Starts 19 May. It's going to be 350. If you want to join the group, there is a group. You go to this website and you click this button. You will find the group there, and we will be focusing on this. Yes. So domain, hosting, WordPress, and content. We will cover all of this in one day. All of this. Yes, but I think I need to shift it now. Let me. Yeah, but this one will be day 5. Let me cut it here, paste it here, and then you go to day 3, and then you go to day 4. go to day 4. Yeah. And then also, why is my bed low? Okay, and also I think I need to change at top. You need to be day 5, so I take you out of here. Get out of here, man. And then I put you here, and then I say you are going to be day 5, then you are going to be day 4, and then you are going to be day 3, right? Yeah, I think it's going to be like this. Yeah, 5 days. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, it will be recorded. But day 5, day 5 it's a practical day. So for this one, I may record a video in the morning and then post it, and then you guys watch it at your time. And then in the evening, we then have a question sections. And you will watch the video. Some of you may not understand. You keep the questions, and then in the evening, we will attend a class, and then you guys ask questions of what you did not understand here. And then day 2, we do the same thing, day 3, day 4. But day 5, we will have 2 practicals, right? In the morning, we will have a session whereby we buy the hosting and the domain, right? And then because it takes few hours for the companies to secure your name and things like that, the session will then end there. And then later on, we then continue the session whereby we are installing WordPress, you see, and then we edit the website however you guys want it to be, and then I show you how to add content. But this one of ensuring website speed, security, mobile responsive, it's by default there. This one, I think it's not really important at the beginning because the website don't have sensitive information. So this one, even if I take it out, it's cool. Yeah, then we select WordPress themes and plugins for monetization, or installing and optimizing WordPress for AdSense, best hosting providers. Okay, not for AdSense, but choosing the right domain name. Okay, we'll focus on all of these things. Yeah, so that is how the masterclass will be structured. Yes. When will the class be, and how do we join? I'll still need to communicate that one. I haven't finalized where the class will be. But if you want to stay updated, I will post updates on my TikTok, so you can be aware of how the masterclass is, the payments for the masterclass, and all of that. Yeah. Okay, I think I can end the session on YouTube, isn't it? I think I can end it. Yeah, I can say end the stream and